Welcome back to Coffee Heaven, the best place for true coffee aficionado. Today, we're embarking on an aromatic journey to discover a delightful, sweet treat straight from the charming cafes of Italy, the Marocchino. Let's talk about Marocchino. Marocchino, a sweet and creamy coffee concoction, is a delightful marriage of espresso, cocoa powder, and frothy milk. Named for its resemblance to Moroccan leather, this little gem of a drink is a testament to Italian creativity in the world of coffee. Let's talk about its historical background. While it might be named after Moroccan leather, the Marocchino is all Italian, hailing from Alessandria in the Piedmont region, which has been enjoying this indulgent delight since the 1930s. Let's talk about the making technique. Creating a perfect Marocchino is an art. First, dust the bottom of a small glass with cocoa, pour in a shot of espresso, and finally top it off with a cloud of frothed milk. A final dusting of cocoa powder, and voila, your Marocchino is ready. Let's face its unknown facts. You might not know that traditionally Marocchino is served in a small glass to better show off its layered beauty. Also, despite its decadent flavors, a Marocchino usually doesn't contain any added sugar. The sweetness is all from the milk and the cocoa. And here's an interesting tidbit. Despite its diminutive size, the Marocchino is a favorite mid-morning pick-me-up in its homeland, often enjoyed as a sweet interlude between breakfast and lunch. So there you have it, the sweet, creamy Marocchino, a true Italian delight. If you enjoyed this journey, remember to like this video and subscribe to Coffee Chronicles for more coffee adventures. Until next time, may your coffee be strong and your days be sweet.